Good morning, kids! Good morning, parents! We're now on day 11 in our online reading tutorials for children. This is Teacher Len. And we know that reading is important because it makes your child smarter and your child misses a golden opportunity if you do not teach your child to read now. That's why I made daily reading tutorials for children, specially designed for preschoolers and for non-readers to develop their reading skills. And teaching letter sounds is the basic and the foundation to reading development. We call this phonemic awareness, skills development. And once letter sounds are learned, the student can start reading 2 or 3 letter words easily. So just see the links below and find out how it works. Okay, so are you ready, kids? Alright, let's start. Lessons for today: read words with vowel E sound, practice reading CVC or consonant vowel consonant words or short vowel sounds A and E. Okay, so let's read the words that ends in AT or at. Ready? Sound it first. Follow this pointer. B, at, bat. K, at, cat. P, at, pat. S, at, sat. F, at, fat. M, at, met. Okay, now it's your turn. Just follow this pointer. Sound it first. Ready? Begin. Alright, good job. Next. Practice reading the words below with the ending sounds at, ad, and am. Let's start here. Let's read. Read with me. Ready? At, bat, bat, mat, mat, pat, pat, cat, cat, fat, fat. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Very good. Next, with the ending sounds of ad or add. Ready? Let's read. Read with me. Add, add, bad, bad, mad, mad, fad, fad, pad, pad. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Good job. Very good. Next, with the ending sounds of am or am. Ready? Read with me first. Am, am, ma'am, ma'am, them, them, bam, bam, tam, tam. Okay, now it's your turn. Sound it first. Follow this pointer. Ready? Begin. Alright, good job. Okay, now let us read the words with short vowel E sounds. Remember that letter E is a vowel letter. Okay, and the sound is eh. Eh. Say eh. Okay, so let's read the words with short vowel E sound. Sound it first. Follow this pointer. Ready? Read with me. B, at, bat. P, at, pat. S, at, set. M, at, met. Okay, now read on your own. Follow this pointer. Ready? Begin. All right, very good. Okay, more words. Let's read. B, egg, bag. P, egg, peg. M, egg, meg. Okay, now it's your turn. Just remember the sound is egg. Egg. Okay, ready? Sound it first. Begin. Alright, good job. Next, read the words with the ending sounds of et and egg. Okay, so these words have ending sounds of et, and this one egg. Okay, let's read. Read with me. Sound it first. Get, get. Bet, bet. Met, met. Pet, pet. Set, set. Okay, it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Very good. Okay, with the ending sounds of egg. Ready? Read with me first. Meg, meg. Bag, bag. Peg, peg. Okay, now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. All right, very good. Good work. So that's all for now, children. You're doing a good work today. Very good. Good job. So, see you tomorrow. Our lessons tomorrow. So, God bless you. Bye.